Welcome to our Business Explainer series, in which we explain the function of human resources. In this explainer video, we'll explore the entire spectrum of compensation and benefits, from wages and bonuses to insurance and retirement packages. We'll break down laws, strategies, structures, and real-world applications. So, let's get started. Let's begin with the basics. What is compensation? Compensation refers to all forms of financial returns and tangible benefits employees receive as part of an employment relationship. It has two classifications: direct compensation, such as salary, hourly wages, bonuses, and commissions. Indirect compensation includes benefits like insurance, paid leave, retirement, and perks. Compensation isn't just about paying people. It's about strategy. Here are its strategic goals: attract and retain talent, motivate performance, align employee behavior with organizational goals, ensure legal compliance, and maintain cost effectiveness. Here are the components of direct compensation. 1. Base pay. Examples of this are salaries, fixed monthly. These are predetermined, regular payments, usually monthly or biweekly, not tied to hours worked. And hourly wages, variable with hours worked. These are payments based on the number of hours worked. 2. Variable pay or incentives. Examples of this are performance bonuses, a one-time reward given based on achieving specific performance goals. Sales commissions, a payment based on a percentage of sales made. Profit sharing. An employee receives a portion of the company's profits, typically yearly. And spot awards, immediate, usually small rewards for exceptional performance or behavior. Now, let's look at indirect compensation, which often adds substantial value. 1. Benefits. Examples are health insurance. Covers medical expenses such as doctor visits, hospitalization, and prescriptions. Dental or vision. Optional insurance covering dental and eye care expenses. Retirement benefits or 401k pensions. Financial plans to support employees after retirement. And life insurance. Provides a death benefit to the employee's beneficiaries. 2. Time off policies. Examples are paid vacation. Pre-approved leave is when the employee continues to receive salary. Sick leave. Time off is allowed when an employee is unwell. Parental leave. Time off is granted for new parents after childbirth or adoption. And holidays. Paid days off on national or company holidays. 3. Non-monetary perks. Examples are work-from-home options. Flexible work arrangements allow employees to work remotely. Free meals. The employer provides free or subsidized meals. Gym memberships. Free or discounted access to fitness centers. And training and development. The employer provides free or subsidized meals. Compensation must comply with labor laws and ethical standards. Here are some of the key laws. Examples vary by country. Minimum wage laws, overtime regulations, equal pay for equal work, non-discrimination rules, and Social Security contributions. Some of the ethical concerns are wage gaps, executive pay versus worker pay, and transparency. How do organizations design their compensation programs? 1. Job evaluation methods. Its components are ranking. Jobs are ordered from highest to lowest based on value. Example: a director is ranked higher than a supervisor. Next is classification. Jobs are grouped into categories or grades. Example: jobs may be grouped as clerical, technical, and managerial. And last is point system. Jobs are scored on key factors like skills, effort, and responsibility. Example: a job earns 300 points for complexity, more than one earning 250. 2. Market pricing. A component of this is benchmarking with industry rates using salary surveys, comparing internal pay with similar roles in the market. Example: HR finds that similar roles at competitor firms pay $45,000 to $50,000. 3. Pay structures. Components of this are pay grades and ranges. Jobs are grouped by levels with minimum and maximum salaries. Example: pay grade 5 equals $40,000 to $50,000 per year.
Broadbands.
Fewer, wider pay ranges to allow more flexibility. Example: Band A equals $30,000 to $70,000 instead of having many narrow grades. Step progression. Fixed pay increases at regular intervals. Example: a teacher moves from Step 1 to Step 2 with a $2,000 raise after 1 year. Linking pay to performance is a key motivator.
Here are some methods.
Merit pay. Salary increases based on performance. Example: an employee rated outstanding gets a 5% salary raise. Bonus plans. Lump sum payments for achieving goals. Example: a team meets its sales goal and earns a $500 bonus each. Gain sharing. Employees share in cost savings or productivity gains. Example: a team cuts waste by 10% and shares $10,000 in savings. And recognition programs. Non-monetary rewards for achievements. Example: Employee of the Month receives a certificate and a prime parking spot. To apply these methods effectively, here are some recommended best practices. Set clear KPIs. Be transparent. And reward both individual and team performance. Compensation is evolving, especially in the global and remote work environment. Here are some of the trends. Remote work stipends. Financial support for home office setups. Example: employees receive $300 to buy ergonomic chairs or desks. Equity-based compensation. Ownership shares are given as part of the pay package. Example: startups offer stock options to early employees. Flexible benefits. Employees choose from a menu of benefits. Example: some may choose extra vacation, others prefer higher health coverage. AI-powered compensation analysis. Using AI tools to assess pay fairness and market alignment. Example: software identifies that a certain job is underpaid by 12% compared to peers. And pay transparency. Openly sharing salary ranges and criteria with employees. Example: job postings show salary range of $60,000 to $75,000 depending on experience. To wrap up, compensation and benefits are more than just numbers. They reflect how much an organization values its people. Want to learn more about human resources? Subscribe to Business Explainer 101, where we explain business in simple ways.